We're here today to unbox the Keyline Gymkana 994 machine. First of all, we have to install the tablet on the machine. And also the machine came with all the tools you need. Once we have the tablet attached to the mount, we have to put this on the machine. Inside the box we found cables. Now we are going to hook the machine to the power. This is the adapter. Now is the moment to install the clamp. Now we have this set up. It's time to see the guide to show you how to install. It comes with the guide and the code that you need to register the machine in order to work. With this key machine we are able to cut keys like this, for example this 4 double side key. This is another 4 high security cuts or laser cuts. We'll be able to cut like Volkswagen, Honda or Hyundais and many more. The machine came also with the software updates in this USB flash drive, and that's all that's included in this unboxing. Come to Locksmith Keyless to buy this machine.
Give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit us at LOCKSMITHKEYLESS.com, and make sure to follow and subscribe to Locksmith Keyless on social media for the latest video on deals, unboxing, tutorials. Stay up to date on any news, anything and everything key related by giving us a follow.